So we're in Brooklyn. We live here during the week. This is where our jobs are. But I keep finding really cool stuff. I found a couple of drawers and cabinets. How cool is that? Huh? A cast iron pan we renovated. Look what I found. So this is another one of the series of finding free stuff and putting it to good use. So let's go inside and do this. Spike's favorite toy right now. This hasn't been destroyed, which is unusual for my two. But the cool thing about this setup is these two pieces of metal, which are on the bottom, and I'm looking at, when the phone, I have to remember to look at the lens here, but it defines the width of the hardware for your drawer. So I'm always thinking, if I make a custom drawer, how do I define that width? A lot of measuring, and I'm not good at it. So here's my idea. I am going to, when I want to make a custom drawer, I am going to try and make some metal spacers for the hardware and just slide the whole thing in. So watch me do this. This drawer has sliders. They're kind of the cheaper ones, but when I need something, I can just grab it here. That is kind of like a black hole of dog treats. There's all sorts of stuff back there that I can't get to. So this is pretty much a perfect fit for this drawer, which is very cool. Here comes my little hoppity hop Labrador. Hello. I have the treat drawer open, so treats, Labrador. Happy Labrador. Andy. There you go. Okay. Get out of my kitchen. Okay, out. Come on. Out. I mean, that you can't get, for a street find, you can't get any better than that. She's back. I know. I'm making your life easier right now. Okay, you need to go rest. This was a street find too. There's a video about this. That's like $350. Anyway, you just want to clean that out before you put a drawer in there, right? Oh, that is so cool. So the beauty of this is that you can pull the drawer out, and in there you can screw in the screws for this. So ideally you will separate the drawer from the hardware, and then we'll insert this. So where is that detachment? It's right here. Just lift that up, and that pulls back like that. Just push this in here, square it up. I know I want, from doing that dry fit, I know I want this cross piece just inside that lip there. Nice. Hello. Oh, thank you for the belch. So, yeah, more street find. I don't know. I just like, it's Eric doing stuff. If you like that, there's a subscribe or a like or a hype or all sorts of whatever YouTube wants us to do, right? Can I have a kiss, please? Please, can I have a kiss? Come on, can I have a, I'll give you a kiss. I don't know if that's in the frame or not. Let's do it again. There's your kiss. All right, make it a great day. Spike is eyeing the treats, as you can tell.